Hola, bienvenidos a Lightspeed Spanish. Today I'm going to share with you a secret. 5 minutes a day, do this and your Spanish will do this. Hablamos de todo en la segunda parte.
Ojalá tuviera yo un español más decente.
So you might be thinking, hang on a minute, this is clickbait. How can you do something for 5 minutes a day and improve your Spanish? Well, you can, and I'll tell you why you can, because I've done it, and I continue to do it, and it's very, very important when learning Spanish. What is it? It's this. 5 minutes every day. Coges un libro en español, you get a book in Spanish, y lees 5 minutos. But wait, espérate. You don't read in your head. No, that would be far too easy. You read out loud. And do you know the beauty of reading out loud? It has so many benefits. The good thing is that Spanish is phonetic. And because it's phonetic, you can read words and pronounce them correctly and you don't even know what they mean. But you know how to pronounce them correctly because it's phonetic. It only has one sound. Anywhere that you go in the Spanish-speaking world, every person will pronounce it the same way. Obviously with accents, but it's all pronounced the same way. So what are the benefits of reading out loud? What happens is this. When we read in our mind, we sound great. We think that we are fantastic. You know, wow, I can read Spanish, I understand it, it's fantastic. Then we try and read it out loud. And what happens is it's a completely different muscle. It's a different muscle here and we're using the muscle here. And what you'll find if you've never read out loud before is you will find at the beginning it will be very, very difficult. And I'm not putting that as a little suggestion in your head. It's difficult at the beginning. Why? Because you're having to create new neural pathways in your brain to link with your mouth, just as you've done in English or in your mother tongue, to get used to seeing a word and pronouncing it. But what happens is that neural pathway is then, if you do it enough, 5 minutes a day, and but I'm not talking about 5 minutes a day for a week. No, I'm talking about from now until you get to the point where you think that your Spanish is fantastic, then stop. Okay? And so what you do is you're reading and you go, El canto del pájaro. No, wait a minute. No, that's not right. It's got an accent on it. It's got a tilde on it. It's El canto del pájaro. And so what you do is you create this loop where you listen to what you're reading and you control the pronunciation. You think, hang on, that doesn't sound right to me. I don't think I'm saying that right. Okay? When I've seen people do this and when I've done it, I have seen their Spanish and the confidence when they're speaking go like this. It's just incredible. It seems like a very small thing, but if I were going to say of all of the things that you could do to study Spanish, this is the best. It's the best because you're training yourself to speak. That's what you're doing. You're forcing yourself to speak. I'm currently learning Esperanto and that's what I'm doing every day. I'm reading out loud every day and I don't understand half of the words. I'm having to look them up and everything. It doesn't matter. Read it first. Don't stop each time that you come across a word you don't understand. Read it, then check it out. So that's the tip. You don't need to do anything else. Get a book that's at your level and then start reading it every day and then working out what the dickens it's saying. That's all you do. Find something you like. Make sure you find a book that you actually enjoy and start reading. 5 minutes a day. 10 minutes if you want to push it. And I promise you, within 3 months, you will see a noticeable change in your Spanish. Hasta luego, chicos. Os quiero mucho.